Welcome to my channel, exploring old technologies and seeding new ideas. Let's begin.
This is another in my series of box opening videos. We acquired this combination of leaf blower and vacuum this year, and I wanted to share our experience. I'll show you how easy it was to unpack and assemble, and I will comment on its use later in the video. The parts were well protected and come out of the box in an orderly fashion for assembly. Once the box is open, the blower tube comes out as a set first, providing access to the manual and bag of screws below. If you open the manual to page 11, you'll see how these screws are applied to assemble those two units together. The motor is the next part to come out of the box, and the previously assembled tube attaches to it to provide the leaf blower function. We had to provide an appropriate outdoor cord to attach to the back of the motor to power the unit. Please read the safety card and ensure that the unit is securely assembled before use. For the vacuum function, go back to the box and remove the final components. The leaf bag is stuffed into one of the tubes and will need to be removed. Then the tubes simply snap together. The assembled tube attaches to the bottom of the motor after the blue door is unlatched and pushed to the side. Finally, the leaf bag is put on the air outlet of the motor. Please read the yellow card prior to use. Please refer to the well-illustrated manual for operating instructions and any other concerns. We found the product great for blowing leaves into piles, and also quite useful when we're washing our cars to dry it off. We didn't have much use for the vacuum, so we can't comment too much on that. The biggest concern we had was managing the long power cord, and therefore might consider getting a battery operated unit next time.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be looking forward to preparing another one for you soon.